everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to make something really beautiful from just a simple piece of paper. We are making a paper butterfly. It's easy to make, but the final result looks like something from a fancy gift shop. If you love handmade decorations or just want to try something creative and fun, this is a perfect little project for you. As you watch, you'll see how each fold slowly turns the paper into something magical. You don't need any glue, scissors, or special tools, just paper and your hands. This butterfly is great for decorating your room, making greeting cards, or even giving someone a small handmade gift. It's soft, colorful, and brings a peaceful vibe wherever you place it. If you've never tried paper folding before, don't worry. I will show you every step slowly. Just follow along, and you'll be surprised by what you can make. The folds are easy, and once you get the shape, it's really fun to see it come together. You can even make many butterflies in different colors to create your own wall art. So stay with me till the end, and let's finish it together. And if you enjoy this kind of calm and creative work, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.